If I were to ask any of you to speak about 5 global issues from the last week, how many of you would be confident of doing so? Ensuring that children develop their GK, express their views, and become global change makers has become increasingly important today. But is there a way children can develop public speaking, leadership, global awareness, researching, and debating all in one single program? The answer is yes.
Our Model UN workshop, launched in 2013, is Asia's only composite MUN training and 21st century skill development initiative. It not only gives students the opportunity to participate with thousands of others in international level MUN conferences, but also develops multiple skills. During Model UN conferences, students role play as global leaders, solving different global issues through debating and collaboration, just like in the actual United Nations. SkillSphere Education's Model UN workshops train students to become the best MUN delegates through multiple public speaking exercises, games, and activities. Many of them have gone on to win awards at national and international levels. It is for this very reason that since 2013, our MUN workshops have witnessed participation from thousands of students.
Our future lies in the hands of our children. Let's make them global leaders and problem solvers. What are you waiting for? MUNning begins here.